Okay guys, no? Nakarating kami ng Guyam Islands sa island hopping namin. First destination na guys, may tatlo kaming destination. Guyam Islands, Naked Island, at saka yung Dako Island, no? So, and guys, Kamumoy founder found an islands and Surigao City. Surigao Island, no? Napakagandang isla, guys. Okay guys, no? Muna ang Guyam Islands. Maliit lang na islands ito guys, pero napaka-iligan, no? Ang ganda talaga. Libutin natin yung islands guys. Yun ang port na nanawa namin kanina. So yun ang bangka namin.
Just swim, just swim. Bob, move. Bobby.
Sir, may udto. Guyam Islands. Oh, may ano pala sila. Bangka pala sila dito guys, no? So, ito ang Guyam Islands guys. So, karamihan pag nag-island hopping, isa itong may hinatato pa sila dito guys, oh. Papatato dito. Ang init-init.